how to download iTunes on a Windows PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iTunes on your Windows 11 PC or laptop so that you can enjoy any music, movies, things like that that you have on iTunes. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to download iTunes on our computer. All we need to do is go down, select the Windows Start button on the taskbar, and then look for Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, go up to the top and just type Store. And when you see the Microsoft Store come up, go ahead and open that up. Once the Microsoft Store opens up, go to the top search bar, type iTunes, and then you should see iTunes right here. Go ahead and select it. As you can see, this is from Apple. So this is the official iTunes app. And all we need to do is select install, and it'll go ahead and start downloading and installing iTunes on our computer. Now, if that didn't work for you, you could also open up a browser and just navigate to apple.com/iTunes, and they'll give you some links to download it there. So once it's done installing iTunes on your computer, go ahead and select open, then OK. Then it'll open up iTunes on your computer where all we need to do is sign into our iTunes account. This can be the same thing that you use on your iPhone, like Apple ID, something like that. Then once you get logged in, you can start using any items that you have purchased within iTunes, or you can open up the iTunes store to purchase music, podcasts, books, anything like that. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.